Hi everyone, Chris at Torque King here. Today's product highlight is our QT2072. QT2072 is the tool you need to replace your tail shaft bushing in your Dodge 271 or 273 transfer case. You notice that vibration as you're going down a smooth highway that shouldn't be there? It can be a number of things, but let's focus this time on the effects of just one of those potential problems. If you have a vibration in your rear drive shaft and it goes on unchecked for too long, you may end up needing a new slip yoke or a U-joint, or maybe even a carrier bearing. The part that is often overlooked is the tail shaft bushing. The bushing can suffer a great deal of wear in a fairly short time, and it should be replaced if it's been scored or damaged in any way. To replace the bushing, you need to remove the tail housing from your transfer case, as we've got here. Once you have that off, you don't need to scratch your head trying to figure out how to replace it without damaging this bushing or the much more costly housing. Use this Torque King tool, the 2702, to remove both the old worn out bushing and install the new bushing without damaging either piece. You can use a hydraulic press, or you can use a mallet with our matching handle to keep the tool safe from deforming under your shop gorilla's swing press. All the parts you see here are available at torqueking.com. Our link is in the description below, and while you're looking there, give us a like and a comment. It really does help us reach more people just like you. Then subscribe to see more of our product highlights. We've been around for over 30 years and plan to be around at least that much longer. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.